The Keurig K-Mini Plus single-serve coffee maker features a new sleek design, and at less than 5 wide is the perfect size for any space. This coffee maker makes fits anywhere, perfect for great coffee. The K-Mini Plus brewer is effortlessly simple to use. It helps you to make perfect coffee in minutes. Plus this has a removable drip tray for easy cleanup. The Keurig K-Mini coffee maker is not only the best machine but also it is the smallest and least expensive. Though you're finding the smallest and least expensive prices that also passes all the standard quality, then this coffee maker is just for you. This is removable 1 cup reservoir. Just add fresh water for each brew. Removable reservoir makes for easy cleaning and filling. Travel mug friendly. Removable drip tray accommodates travel mugs up to 7.0 inches tall. This has cord storage. Cord storage for easy transport and tidy countertops. The cord is 26 inches long and is tucked into the back of the brewer. It may have to be pulled out to extend to its full length. When you want to make perfect coffee with Keurig K-Mini Plus coffee maker, then firstly just add fresh water to the removable reservoir, pop in your favorite K-Cup pod, press the brew button, and enjoy fresh brewed, delicious coffee in minutes. The Keurig K-Mini Plus brewer combines sleek design with space-saving convenience in a portable, stylish package that delivers fresh brewed, delicious coffee from your favorite K-Cup pods in minutes. In the end, I would suggest this machine to the people who have a low budget and needed a quality thing in the low price bracket. Below share the Amazon link. If want to buy this product, then you can buy it. Thank you for watching videos.